Hey, it's Gina with WTI. I've started dyeing my hair at home, and having the right tools makes it go so much smoother and easier. I really love this hair dyeing kit that I got from Yexixsr. It comes with a collapsible bowl for mixing the hair color in, 2 hair clamps so that I can divide my hair into sections and be able to dye them one at a time to get a really even coverage. And it comes with 2 different combs. One of the combs, the wider one, has a really nice point on the end. That way I can use it to divide my hair when I'm dyeing those different sections to make sure I get good coverage. And the other brush comes with a comb on it, and that's really essential because I have longer hair and I want to get even coverage when I'm putting the hair dye on my lengths. So after I use the brush to apply it, I then use the comb to brush it through. This is just a really great kit to have on hand for all your hair dyeing needs, and that's my point of view.